Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Rubble with Paw Patrol. He's going to be showing us lots of bulldozers. Hi everybody. We're going to be looking at some bulldozers. I'm going to be using them to open my special Maxi Kinder Egg. I can't wait to show you. Let's take a look at your bulldozer, Rubble. This is a lights and sounds bulldozer. It's got lots of different sounds you can get just by pushing this button. It has this little handle here that you can use to operate the bulldozer. The bucket moves too. And at the back, it has one of these drills. That's going to be lots of fun for our construction jobs. Don't worry, I'm back. Let's see what bulldozer we have next. It doesn't look like this bulldozer is strong enough to push the egg. Nope, but it's a really cool bulldozer anyway. Let's check it out. Look, it's a Matchbox on a mission bulldozer. This is Ground Breaker. I love all of his details, even if he isn't strong enough to push the surprise Maxi Egg. It looks like he can push Rubble. Oh! Don't worry, I'm back. Let's see who's next. No, he's not strong enough either. He's really cute though. This is a little bulldozer we got out of a Chinese bulldozer set. They're pretty cool. I love the eyes. No, not this time. No, don't push me. Hey, that was cool. That was some parkour for sure. I like bulldozers, bulldozers. I like bulldozers.
Caterpillar.
Oh, just a little bit though. We need someone even stronger. I want to see what's inside my egg. Let's check out this CAT Bulldozer. Wow, you can see the tracks that it has. They really move. And it has a really cool ripper in the back. And look at this blade. That's perfect for clearing the ground. His cab is pretty neat too. And he has sounds and lights.
Caterpillar.
Well, we're gonna need a bigger bulldozer to be able to open your egg, Rubble. Ah! I'm gonna take the wrapper off. Maybe then we could get it open. I bet the wrapper is stopping everybody. Look at that chocolate. Doesn't that look good? But I wonder what's inside. Okay, I need another bulldozer. Here we have another CAT Bulldozer. It did push it a little bit, but it's not strong enough to break it. His blade moves up and down. And he has wheels on the bottom for rolling. I love the details on this mighty machine. How am I going to open this egg? I can't do it. Ah! Maybe I could get someone to push the egg over the cliff and then it'll break it for me. Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Then I get chocolate and surprises and ooh, I'm so excited. Bulldozer, come on, help me out here. It's lifting it. Yay! Oh no, it can't lift it any higher. What are we gonna do? This Tonka Mighty machine is not strong enough. It's got a really cool blade though. And it's got lights and sounds. All these mighty machines are awesome, but I want to get in my surprise egg. Ah! There must be someone strong enough. Okay, I'm ready to ride this bulldozer and open my egg. Yay! Let's do it. This is a remote control CAT Bulldozer. It has lots of different functions. Here, there's lots of different sounds and buttons.
Get your hard hat.
We can go forward and backwards, and we can lift and lower the blade. It has some amazing gears on it and is really good tread.
Back it up.
Look at this ripper. It's really strong. And there's space in the cab for one of our CAT construction workers. But I want my chocolate egg opened! Okay, Rubble, let's get him started. Come on, mighty machine, let's get that egg over the cliff. Oh, we're so close. Can he do it? Let's try again. Yay, he did it. Look, my chocolate egg is open. Let's check it out. Okay, I think I need my shovel. I'm gonna need some help to get that egg out of there. And look at this mess. It is a tasty mess though. Bring in some bulldozers. Now to get my egg out. Whew, there he is. Let's open him up. Wow, what is that? Let's put it together. Whoa, look at that. I bet I could scare a friend with that. First, I better clean up the mess. Okay, let's see who I can scare. Wow, hi Rubble. Hey, Rocky, I'm sure glad you're here. Why's that? I've got a present for you. Really? Wow, a present for me. Ah! Ah! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.